Hi, I'm Megan, and in today's video I'm going to guide a simple meditation that anyone can enjoy practicing. This meditation can help one calm an overactive mind and connect with intuition by centering awareness in the space of the heart. Let us begin by coming to take a comfortable seat. You can sit in a chair, you can find yourself seated comfortably on the floor, sitting up nice and straight. Settle into this present moment. You might want to close your eyes and bring awareness into the feeling of the arms and the legs. Scan awareness from the shoulders to the fingers, from the hips to the toes. Embodying a sense of presence as you bring awareness to the fact that you are here and you are breathing. Tune into the rhythm of your breath. Allow the mind to become an observer of the current rhythm and cycle of your inhales and exhales. You can find the breath at the tip of the nose, feeling the air as it brushes past the nostrils on its way in and out. Observe how the breath flows with no effort at all from the mind. The mind can simply observe the force of the breath flowing in and out of the body. At this time, let us add 3 sighs to clear out any stagnant air that may be in the lungs. With your next exhale, allow your jaw to soften and relax, opening the mouth and sending breath out with the sound of a sigh. Complete your sigh. Take a deep breath in through the nose, innately filling up to full capacity. Allow yourself all the time you need to fill up. And when you're ready to let it go, sigh it out again. Take one more deep breath just like that. Let go of the control of your breath now. Allow your breath to return to a natural, effortless rhythm. The mind continuing to observe how the body innately flows through full, deep inhale and soft, complete exhale. At this time, bring a sensation of touch to the heart space. You might place an open palm over the space of your heart, maybe both palms fold over the heart, or prayer hands, the thumbs touching the sternum, maybe just a couple fingers touching the sternum. Whatever feels most natural to you to bring this sensation of touch from the hands to the heart. Continue to follow your breath in and out, now feeling as though you're breathing in and out of your heart. Following your breath in and out, anchoring your awareness in the space of your heart. Continue to follow breath in and out of your heart space. And begin to awaken the natural feelings of the heart. Expanding the heart by recalling the feeling of gratitude. You may recall a memory of a time when you felt most grateful. Enlivening this memory with your imagination for a moment. And perhaps you anchor into the feeling of gratitude that you have for your breath. Feeling grateful for the fact that you are breathing. As you continue to awaken the feeling of gratitude, you move beyond just the idea of gratitude and into the embodied experience of gratitude. Feeling your gratitude in this present moment. Breathing in and out the space of your heart, following the expansion and softening with each breath in and out. Continue to remain in this feeling of gratitude. And at this time, you can release the object of your affection that helped to remind you of your natural, essential gratitude. Just remain in the experience of gratitude, breathing in and out, present gratitude. Stay with this as long as you like. When you feel complete, you can remove the hands back to the lap. Take a moment to observe the current state of your being, acknowledging any shift from the beginning of your practice to now. You might add another sigh. When you're ready, you can flutter your eyes open. Namaste.